Hello students, this is Mrs. Payson. This screencast shows you how to complete all of the daily routines during AT each day. This expectation is going to begin on Wednesday of this week, so please use this screencast to help make sure you know how to do everything on the list. Ms. Josie Case, one of our 8th grade student ambassadors, has allowed me to use her account as an example so that you can see things on this screencast from a typical student view. So the first thing you're expected to do in AT is to log into Canvas. You'll go ahead and click on the Student AT at NSJH course. This is where all the information is. The very first button shows the AT calendar. And every week, the AT committee completes a student AT calendar so that students are able to know what we're going to be doing each day in AT. As you can see, starting on Wednesday, the expectation is that all students complete the AT daily routines upon entering AT. From Wednesday and forward, this will be the first thing on the AT agenda every day except for Club Day. The AT daily routines are listed in the document that's linked. The rest of this screencast is going to step you through how to complete each of these tasks. The first thing on the AT daily routines list is to check Google email. As you know, we want students to use technology during the school day for staff communication and student communication about schoolwork specifically. The first thing I need to do is read any emails sent to me from staff. Mrs. Keppy sent the announcements every day, so I need to read those to find out what's going on at school. She also includes the lunch menu down below. I see that Mrs. Linehauser also sent Josie a fake email. And this staff email says, I need to discuss your schedule with me, or your schedule with you. Please come to the counseling office. And then she says, please respond to this message and let me know when you will be here. One of the expectations of checking email in the morning is that you do respond to staff email if that email requires you to, which this one does. So you would hit reply, you would type your reply to the teacher or staff member, and send it. Down the road, if students do end up getting lunch detentions or 2-hour detentions, notices are sent via email. The expectation is that you read that email. That is your notification. The next thing that's on the list is checking Canvas. So, unfortunately, I closed that. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Canvas again because I messed that up. Okay. So the first thing it says that you're supposed to do in the expectations is read any announcements or messages. So if you have a message, there will be an icon in your inbox indicating that you have an unread message in Canvas. So make sure that you look at that. That would probably be a message from a teacher. And the next thing it says is you should read any announcements as well. If you have an announcement for a course, this little megaphone will be lit up red and there will be an icon. So you click on it to read the announcement. The next thing in Canvas you need to do is check your grades. You can do that by going to the bottom and clicking View Grades. The next thing it says is that you also need to view teacher feedback. On the right-hand side, listed in Recent Feedback, you will see anything that's been entered by a teacher for you. You're expected to look at it and read the teacher feedback. The next thing you're asked to do is to review the due dates for your upcoming assignments. There are 2 different ways to do this. You can look at the to-do list, which is on the right-hand side of your screen, or you can look at the calendar. So you would go over here to the left, click the calendar icon, and this right here is going to list all of your assignments in this view and you can see that they're color-coded by course. We recommend that students copy these due dates into their planners to help them stay organized as well. So those are the daily routines, and the last thing on the list is for you to make sure that you are following along on the daily lesson. And the daily lesson, if there is a link that students need, it will be linked into the AT calendar so that you can open it. Sometimes we'll have surveys linked in here, or videos if you would like to view them again. So this screencast explains how you need to complete all the AT daily routines, and we hope that it was helpful.